All right, so there we go again. Another video. No, actually, I don't want to. I will just add something real fast. Perhaps my image has been modified on some other stuff. Now I want to listen to Justin. I'm gonna wink with Justin in the back. Everybody knows everything about me, so I'm gonna do that. Here my hand is a little bruised. Like here. I have here a mark as well. Bruised and keep being bruised. Like trying to create a pimple here and here right now. Me. But as you can see, I don't have fucking pimples right now on my skin, right? So just a bit red here. Just a bit red. Because they don't want me to look good. I look too good for them. I look too good for them. It's like I have too much power. I look too good. I'm too celestial. Blah blah. Boo. And I'm not even shaved. Can you imagine? So sometimes they deteriorate my speech in some videos. Sometimes it's the content. Sometimes it's my face, how it looks. This is why Diddy Curry Trump is being slammed on his image absolutely everywhere right now. Because this is simply unacceptable to do this to one person who's done absolutely nothing to you. May you be a Satanist or not. And this is unacceptable to do this to a Prince of Darkness and the Imperial Crown of Earth. You do not do that to a king. All right? If you want to do that to prove yourself, then go play video games. All right? You play video games and you prove yourself with challenges that you complete in these video games, but you stop doing shit in real life. This is not the place where you can do whatever the fuck you want without consequences. In video games, you can. In video games, there are absolutely no consequences to your actions because it's a principle of a video game. It's a video game. You play in the video game. Here, it's real life. There are real consequences to your real actions. So, it's been recording absolutely all the trail of modification that has been done on all my content. Absolutely everything. And you're gonna have to pay for absolutely every single pieces of modification that has been made on my content. Every single modification, alteration, change, everything. So upgrade as well, because you can consider that some stuff are upgrading while it's not. So everything you're gonna have to pay for absolutely everything. On that one, I'm telling you good night because it's 3 a.m. 20. There hasn't been anyone taking shower. As you heard, it happened yesterday, and because they have been caught by me, they stopped tonight, so nothing is happening tonight. Nothing has been happening tonight. I guess that it's because I called them. So thank you, thank you, thank you for having pushed so that I would be here. I would remain here. Thank you for having forced to prove that you are not as powerful as you were once, because I am in a room where I can control stuff from the building, right? So I am and I am stuck in a place of control. Well done. I have seen an alien presence, and I do not see them much lately. But I guess that they are targeting you properly, because right now you cannot do much to me. I see this, I feel it. I'm attacked like slightly, but I still see that it's on the end, on the very end. So I can't wait for all of you to be dead and to move on with my life with Justin.